Dear students, in this video, today we learn how to find the square root of a complex number. For better understanding, we will solve an example. Suppose it is asked that find the value of square root of 7 plus 24i. So how to find the square root of this? First, let root of 7 plus 24i is equal to a plus bi, where a and b are the real numbers. Squaring on both sides, we get 7 plus 24i is equal to a plus bi bracket square. Therefore, 7 plus 24i is equal to a square plus 2iab plus b square I square. We know that value of I square is always minus 1. So put this value of I square. Therefore, we get 7 plus 24i is equal to a square minus b square plus 2abi. Here we separate this imaginary part and the real parts. These two parts are separated. So here we wrote a square minus b square as a real part, and the term containing I is known as imaginary part. It is 2abi. Now we have to equate real and imaginary parts to this complex, our given complex number 7 plus 24i. So equating this real part, we get a square minus b square equal to 7. Give this is an equation number 1, and equating imaginary part, we get 2ab equal to 24. This is equation number 2. From this equation, second, we get b is equal to 24 divided by 2a. By dividing 2 to 24, we get the value of b as 12 upon a. Now we have to put this value of b in equation number 1. So we get a square minus 12 upon a bracket square equal to 7. So squaring this 12 upon a, we get next equation as a square minus 144 divided by a square equal to 7. Taking LCM to LHS as a square, we get a raised to 4 minus 144 divided by a square equal to 7. Multiplying both sides by a square, we get a raised to 4 minus 144 is equal to 7 a square. Therefore, we get here the equation a raised to 4 minus 7 a square minus 144 equal to 0. This equation is quadratic equation in a square, which is a quadratic equation in a square. We can factorize this as a square minus 16 as first bracket and second bracket a square plus 9 equal to 0. This gives a square minus 16 equal to 0 or a square plus 9 equal to 0. And from these two equations, we get a square is equal to 16 or a square equal to minus 9. But we know that a is a real number, and therefore a square, this square of any real number is never negative. So this is impossible. A square equal to this minus 9 is impossible. So we have a square is equal to 16, and from this a square equal to 16, taking square root, we have a is equal to plus or minus 4. So find the values when here we get two values. When a equal to 4, then we get b is equal to 12 upon 4, that is equal to 3. And when a is equal to minus 4, then we get b is equal to 12 upon minus 4, that is equal to minus 3. So here we get the square root of 7 plus 24i is equal to plus or minus In first case, we get this complex number as 4 plus 3i. In second case, we get minus 4 minus 3i. So finally, we get our answer root or under root 7 plus 24i is equal to plus or minus 4 plus 3i. Thank you.